Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, like it says on my shirt. I am starting the vlog off again in the car because I am heading out to go run the same errands that we did not run yesterday. And the reason being, yesterday after work, I went to the dentist and I actually ended up getting a tooth taken out. So that was really painful and I was really swollen. And I kind of still am swollen right now, but that's not going to stop me from running my errands. So I actually just ended up coming home and taking some meds and just lying down. So we're going to take two again today. Today's going to be a hectic day because today is the day of our big, humongous Iftar that we host at our house. Happy Ramadan to all the Muslims out there that are fasting. I hope you guys are having a prosperous day. So I'm running to go get my eyebrows done, get these nails done, and then I'm gonna pick up a few things that I told you guys about yesterday for my shoot tomorrow. And then I have to go run to the grocery store to go buy groceries for today. And then that should be it. So we'll see how, what all I get done today. I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to leave me a comment. And let me know what you're doing on this beautiful Saturday. So I came here to buy shoes and I ended up walking out with a bag, courtesy of Sumra.
It wasn't my fault. I told her don't do it.
But I did find my shoes there just at another mall. So I'm going to run out tomorrow to go grab them. Hey guys, so I came back. As you see, I just got my nails done. And I honestly just got like a manicure and like nude. Nothing too crazy. I am heading to Sephora. I need to pick up a few things. And then I have to head to Ulta. And I think that should be it, honestly, for all the places that I have to go today. So let me just show you guys what I got from Sephora. I'm waiting for Summer to come down from getting her nails done. And I'm so proud of myself. Like, I walked in Sephora, got exactly the two things that I wanted, and I walked out. So the first thing that I got was the Ola Henriksen, I think that's how you say it. It's the cold plunge pore mask, and it's pretty much the mask that's blue that if you haven't been hiding under a rock, you will see all over social media. So I actually read about it and heard really good things, so I really wanted to try it out. And then I decided to go ahead and get my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 380. They finally had my color, so I went ahead and I picked that up because I actually want to try this out a couple of more times. And then I got a sample of the Ola Henrik's sugar scrub. I think that's what it is. I hate looking for parking. Like, literally, it's my pet peeve. I feel like when I want to come to the mall and I'm just looking to like run errands or just do things quickly, that's when everybody and their mama wants to be at the mall. Like, it's ridiculous. I get road rage when I have to look for parking. Are you leaving? Thank you. Look at all these groceries. And I swear it's like maybe 10-12 people coming. does the dog say? What does the cat say?
No.
What does the chicken say? What does the dog say? What does the snake say? What does the fish say? What does the bee say? What does the bunny say? Up. What does the elephant say? What does the sheep say? What does the cow say? What does the... I can't think of any other animals. Okay, what does I say? What does the yaya say? Oh my God! And where's Anwar?
Where's Anna?
Yay! Say bye-bye.
Tata.
Tata, merci. Merci.
Merci.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I didn't finish off yesterday's vlog, but as you guys saw, we had a lot of family over and friends, so we just had like a big barbecue and a food for everybody. It was such a long day. It is 1 p.m. right now. I am heading to go pick up my shoes from Tuttle Mall. Then I'm gonna come back, and I'm contemplating whether I should record a video of me getting ready or if I should just do a live, but we'll see. Well, we will see, because honestly for the photo shoot I kind of just want to go for like a simple, like, you know, sun-kissed look with maybe red lips, kind of something to go with like all my outfits. I don't want to do anything too much. Hey loves, we have a success. For the shoes, I feel like I've been on a hunt for the last 3 days. It's absolutely ridiculous, but I drove 30 minutes to one of our further malls and I finally got them. And this is what they look like. I was looking for the perfect nude shoe, and as if you guys saw, I tried on a few at the outdoor with the mall closer to me, but it didn't have this strap and it had a pointy heel, and I'm very picky about my heels because I know heels are not all like 100% comfortable, but the most comfortable I can get, the better. So these are the ones that I picked up, and I picked up an 8.5 because I range anywhere from an 8 to a 9, and I believe these were, I want to say almost $80, but it's perfect to have like the perfect nude. And of course, I mean, I couldn't leave the store without picking up maybe 1 or 2 more things that I don't need, but yeah, I found these glasses and these are super cute. Oh, there's a guy next to me. Super cute. I wear glasses normally, so I would only wear these if I have like my contacts, just for like fashion purposes. But I really want to find glasses like this that are my prescription. I think that would be so cute on my face. That's gonna be my mission for the week. And then the last thing that I got was these earrings. I already have them in black and yellow, so I just got them in white. Super adorable. But yeah, so now I'm finally gonna head home. It's 2 o'clock. I'm gonna head home. Hey guys, so I am all ready for my shoot. This is one of my looks. You guys will see all the details up as soon as I have the video. This is my makeup. Let me see if I can like go into outside, show you guys a little bit better. And I'm like so obsessed with this makeup. I went for more of a neutral with a red lip, so yeah. If you guys want to see this look right here, then leave me a comment and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, that's it for my video and my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my weekend with me. I had a really fun time recording this vlog. As I do always, I'm about to actually import all my videos and everything into my laptop and start editing for you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to leave me a like. Until next time.